Capybara Chronicles, the internet's favorite giant rodent. Welcome to the fascinating world of the capybara, the internet's most beloved rodent. If you've ever stumbled upon those cute memes of giant, laid-back animals surrounded by other creatures, then you've already met the capybara. But what makes this enormous rodent so endearing and captivating? Is it their calm demeanor, their love for water, or the way they effortlessly get along with just about everyone? Join us as we dive deep into the life of this incredible animal and discover why capybaras have captured the hearts of millions worldwide. The capybara, scientifically known as Hydrochoerus hydrochaeris, is the largest rodent in the world. But how did this gentle giant come to be? The story of the capybara begins millions of years ago in South America, where its ancestors roamed the vast grasslands and forests. The capybara belongs to the Caviidae family, which also includes guinea pigs and rock cavies. Over time, these ancestors evolved to adapt to a semi-aquatic lifestyle, giving rise to the modern capybara we know today. Capybaras are native to the dense rainforests, savannas, and wetlands of South America, with a range that extends across countries like Brazil, Venezuela, Colombia, and Argentina. Their evolution is a testament to the power of adaptation. These animals have developed unique features, such as webbed feet, that allow them to thrive in both terrestrial and aquatic environments. This evolutionary journey is not just about survival, but also about thriving in some of the most challenging habitats on Earth. One look at a capybara, and you'll notice they're not your typical rodent. Weighing between 77 to 146 pounds and measuring up to 4.6 feet in length, these animals are more akin to a dog than a rat. Their large, barrel-shaped bodies are covered in coarse, brownish fur that helps them blend seamlessly into their natural surroundings. But don't let their size fool you. Capybaras are surprisingly agile and can move quickly on land and in water. Their heads are short and broad, with small rounded ears that sit close to their eyes, giving them a distinctly gentle appearance. Their eyes, ears, and nostrils are positioned high on their heads, an adaptation that allows them to keep most of their body submerged while still being able to see, hear, and breathe. Perfect for evading predators. Capybaras also have long, sharp incisors that continuously grow throughout their lives. These teeth are essential for chewing tough vegetation, their primary diet. But perhaps one of the most remarkable features of the capybara is its webbed feet. These semi-aquatic rodents are exceptional swimmers, and their webbed toes help them paddle through water with ease. Whether they're foraging for food or escaping from predators, capybaras are built to handle the water as naturally as they do land. If there's one thing that sets capybaras apart from other rodents, it's their social nature. These animals are incredibly social and live in groups that can range from 10 to 20 individuals, although some groups can swell to over 100 during the dry season when resources are scarce. Capybaras are also known for their peaceful and cooperative behavior, rarely engaging in aggressive conflicts. In their social groups, there's a clear hierarchy, with dominant males leading the pack. However, this dominance is maintained more through subtle communication and social bonds rather than overt aggression. Capybaras communicate using a variety of vocalizations, including whistles, barks, grunts, and purrs. Each sound serves a specific purpose, whether it's to warn the group of danger, establish dominance, or simply maintain social bonds. These vocalizations are a vital part of capybara society, allowing them to coordinate their activities and strengthen their relationships. One of the most endearing aspects of capybara behavior is their tendency to form close bonds with other animals. It's not uncommon to see birds, monkeys, and even other mammals perched on the backs of capybaras, enjoying a free ride or simply basking in their presence. This interspecies camaraderie has made capybaras a favorite subject of viral internet content. Their calm and tolerant nature makes them the perfect companions, whether they're interacting with other capybaras or different species altogether. Capybaras are herbivores, with a diet that primarily consists of grasses, aquatic plants, fruits, and tree bark. Their diet varies depending on the season and availability of food. During the wet season, when food is abundant, capybaras prefer to graze on lush grasses and aquatic plants. However, during the dry season, when resources are scarcer, they may resort to eating tougher vegetation, such as tree bark and stems. One of the most interesting aspects of capybara feeding behavior is their practice of coprophagy, eating their own feces. While this may sound unappetizing, it's actually a vital part of their digestive process. Capybaras have a specialized stomach that allows them to ferment food and extract as many nutrients as possible. However, the initial digestion doesn't break down all the nutrients, so they consume their feces to pass the food through their digestive system a second time, ensuring they get all the essential nutrients. Capybaras spend a significant portion of their day foraging, typically in the early morning and late afternoon when temperatures are cooler. Their foraging habits are highly organized, often with the dominant male leading the group to the best feeding spots. Despite their size, capybaras are efficient grazers, capable of consuming large amounts of vegetation in a short period. This diet not only sustains them, but also plays a crucial role in shaping the ecosystems they inhabit, as their grazing helps maintain the balance of plant life in their environment. And their love for water is legendary. Whether it's a river, a lake, or a marsh, if there's water nearby, you can bet there's a capybara not far away. They use water for a variety of purposes, from cooling off in the heat of the day to escaping from predators. Capybaras are excellent swimmers, capable of holding their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes. This ability allows them to dive and swim across large bodies of water, evading threats with ease. Water also plays a significant role in capybara socialization. Groups often gather at water sources, where they can be seen lounging together, grooming each other, or simply enjoying a communal soak. This communal bathing not only helps to reinforce social bonds, but also provides a measure of protection against parasites. Capybaras have a unique way of taking care of their skin by rubbing against tree trunks and rolling in mud, which helps remove parasites and keep their fur in good condition. The capybara's affinity for water has earned them the nickname water hogs in some regions. But don't let that fool you. These animals are anything but swine. Their close relationship with aquatic environments is a key part of their identity, influencing everything from their diet to their social structure. For capybaras, water is life, and they've mastered the art of living in harmony with it. Life in the wild isn't all leisurely swims and peaceful grazing for the capybara. Despite their size and social structure, they are prey for several formidable predators. Jaguars, anacondas, caimans, and even large eagles see capybaras as a potential meal. So how does the capybara survive in a world where danger lurks around every corner? One of the capybara's primary defenses is its social structure. Living in groups provides safety in numbers, with multiple pairs of eyes keeping watch for predators. When a threat is detected, capybaras will emit a high-pitched bark to alert the group, and they will either scatter into the water or flee into dense vegetation. Their ability to stay submerged for extended periods gives them an edge over land-based predators. Capybaras also rely on their keen senses of sight, hearing, and smell to detect danger. Their eyes, ears, and nostrils are positioned high on their heads, allowing them to stay alert even when most of their body is underwater. This heightened awareness, combined with their ability to move quickly on land and in water, makes capybaras surprisingly elusive prey. Despite these defenses, life is still risky for capybaras. Young capybaras are particularly vulnerable, with only a small percentage surviving to adulthood. However, those that do survive often live for several years, contributing to the growth and stability of their social groups. In recent years, capybaras have become internet sensations. Their calm demeanor, quirky behavior, and photogenic appearance have made them stars of countless memes, videos, and social media.